Now, with less than 72 hours to go before the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships, the excitement levels are high for this year's staging following last year's cancellation. But one coach is citing a prejudice in the schedule for this year's prestigious 5-day event set for the National Stadium. Jerome Foster reports.
The Super Saturday feel of the Issa Boys and Girls Championships has now been crammed into a 5-hour spectacle from the usual 8 due to curfew restrictions imposed by the government. One repercussion of the tight final day schedule is that athletes might not be able to do multiple events. That has not gone down well with Dave Anderson, the head coach of many-time girls champions Holmwood Technical.
And because I would have athletes with a situation, for example, Daniel Adair, who should be doing the 400 and 800, which is like 40 minutes apart. And this has been our combination for all the years, including this, which is our final year. So when I made the call, they were saying that, yeah, we understand, but at this point in time, we were not catering for a double, or you coaches will have to make the decision in what to enter your athlete at. And I think at this stage, after preparing your athlete for so many months for a schedule to decide what they do.
Anderson believes there's a gender bias with the schedule.
These schedules were done to suit the boys who have the 60 and 70. Boys, you can send one go 2 to 400, a different 2 to 800. Many of us are not in that situation, even this year with smaller teams and poor preparation, in the sense that you were given less time to train than normal. So, I mean, they were looking on one gender, I think, which I would have expressed to know that I think it was more to suit the male team with big teams.
Anderson suggested subtle tweaks that could make a huge difference.
It's just a matter of where they put what. They could have separated the 400 meter and the 800 with, say, the 5,000 or the medley. Those medley person running nothing else. That's the only event, so it won't affect anything else. But put a split. Just keep the same time frame, change the combinations in terms of what come after the other. So it's a matter of the sequence that could be changed, and you keep the same time. So it wouldn't affect the start and the finish of the meet.
Holmwood girls finished third at the 2019 staging of champs with 220 points behind winners Edwin Allen and Hydel High. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.